The Toyota LC300's rear entertainment system allows direct connection via HDMI for high-quality video and audio. Locate the HDMI ports in the rear console. Connect your device such as a gaming console, laptop, or media player using an HDMI cable. Select the HDMI input via the touchscreen menu. Ensure your device outputs a compatible resolution up to 4K. For two-way audio, use HDMI ARC if your device supports it. Avoid loose connections to prevent signal dropouts. Toyota recommends certified HDMI 2.0 Plus cables to minimize lag. First, enable the vehicle's Wi-Fi hotspot to create a wireless network for your device. Next, connect your smartphone, tablet, or laptop to the car's Wi-Fi network using the password displayed on the infotainment screen. Then, use your device's built-in casting features. For Android, use native screen mirroring. For iOS, access screen mirroring from the control center. From the infotainment display, select the rear screen mode to direct the content to the rear entertainment system. Make sure your device remains within Bluetooth range of the vehicle for the initial pairing process. If casting fails, try resetting the Wi-Fi hotspot in the vehicle's settings or update your device's firmware to the latest version.